number 2.
Oh, what's over here? What are these?
They're hippo.
Hippos.
Hippo. An elephant.
An elephant.
And a monkey.
And a monkey driving a car. Oh, what's up here? What's that? What's it? A parrot. Oh, here's some gazelles. Over here.
Oh, there.
Those are ostriches.
I mean, ostrich. There's giraffe over there.
Yeah, there are some big giraffes. Look, they're all made out of Legos.
Yeah, why did they do Lego?
Do you think we can make those with all of our Legos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're still free. Wow, look at that big
That
one.
is a big, big one. All the meerkats? Uh-oh. There's a squirrel on that lion.
Dad, we need to get closer to it.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Careful, baby squirrel. There's lions by you. Think it's gonna roar?
Yeah.
No.
There's zebra.
Zebras.
So that's zebra.
Oh, okay. Well, there's 2 of them.
Hi, guys.
Attention adventurers, please remain in your safari car until the operator releases your seatbelt. Thank you. Squawk.
That would sound like the parrot. Please use this again. Now I was alright with mommy.
Let's see.